going on YouTube? As you can see, your boy back with another shoe review or unbox, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro. You see the yellow box, you see. And that tour yellow, dark blue, gray, and size 8.5. Little backstory on these. These have re-released this year, 2021. Also known as the Lightning back in, what was it, 06? Okay, but enough talking. As you can see, these retail for, the $220. A little bit more expensive than, the normal J, but hey, once you see the quality on these, you understand why. Top of the box, dark gray Jumpman with the white flight, yellow top, opening it up. Same color scheme, dark gray on the inside, a little border right there, yellow. On the inside, you got the cement speckled paper, and as you can see, guys, bam, fresh in box. Take them both out, give you guys a better look. As you can see, this is both shoes, Jordan 4, Lightning, also known as Tour Yellow. You guys hold 360 the shoe real quick so you can see. Go straight over it. Okay, let's move on to these bad boys out the way. Okay, so noticing these, the laces are darker than the actual shoe. Back in 06, the shoe did look, a little bit more darker, like the laces, more of a deeper type of yellow. This is more, washed out, you feel me? It's not as, bright yellow. It's more of like a ashier, not as bright type of yellow, But the price point of these are $220. And what you see the new buckle on these? That's good quality, like. These definitely have a good quality material on them. New buckle all around. Yeah, we have the gray box with the white Jumpman with the flight and the yellow flight, tour yellow laces with the blackish translucent waffle lace holders, black netting down here. Then you got the new buck going all the way around the shoe. Come to this side, more black netting. That gray again. Coming to the bottom, we have the white air bubble on the inside. This is that gray I was telling you about, same gray up here. Coming to the back. Pull tab with that Jumpman in that gray again. Coming to the inside of the tongue. Air Jordan upside down, you already know. And the yellow with the gray background. Come to this side, same as the other side, real simple. To the inside of the shoe, the laces, nothing special on the tips or nothing. Inside of the shoe, yes sir. Get a look at the bottom of the shoe. White with the gray, tour yellow Jumpman. Real simple, nothing new, these already came out, so. But yeah, guys, pretty good shoe. Both of them. What you guys think? Did you guys cop? Did you drop? Let me know down in the comments right now. What did you guys do with these? Was these more your flavor? Did you get them to rock as part of, collector? Or did you get them to resell? The resale on these is pretty good. I see them going for anywhere between $280 to $300 plus. So if you wanted to flip these, it'd be a cool little penny you can flip them for. But yeah, guys, that's the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. That's pretty much it on these, you feel me? I'ma call them banana 4s, you feel me? Okay, that's. All yellow pretty much. But yeah, you feel me? Let me know what you guys think. think these are worth the $220. In my personal opinion, the materials are, you feel me, pretty on point. Grade A quality. So $220, sure, why not? In my personal opinion, I don't really like, you feel me, Jordans, you know, maybe 4s or 5s, because you know how Jordans are. Known for creasing, so I'm not really with any of that, so. But yeah, guys, you let me know what you think down below. But that's it to this video. Until next time, guys.